All right, so car's completely unwrapped right now. We did literally everything except these and that, but we're leaving those for now. Everything else completely unwrapped, and now we just wait for the color to come in and we get to wrapping. So that's what we're doing out here. Looks good though. Back bumper's already off. Taking the front bumper off now. Clay bar in the car, and then oh shit, okay, it's already off. And then we start wrapping tomorrow when the wrap comes in. So the entire car is completely taken apart. This man's broke my car. Look, everything. Even there's no fucking taillights in the back. This is crazy. All the parts are upstairs, but tomorrow's the day.
24 hours later.
We got a glizzy and a car wrap. That's done, that's done, that's done. And that's done, and that is done. So we're making progress, but not fully done yet. Just for the first night though, we did a lot of stuff.
For this life I cannot change. In the hills, keep off in the main. Eminem, sweet like candy cane. Drop the top, pop it, let it breathe. Been lost, been lanes, busting bills, but still ain't nothing changed. You in the mob, so that you rock the chain. She caught the waves, it's thumbing through my brain. Eat up, baby, I just eat up. Need your love, not a need it is a must. Feeling stuck, you know how to keep me up. Icy like a icy one. For this life I cannot change. In the hills, keep off in the main. Eminem, sweet like candy cane. Drop the top, pop it, let it. Pop it, let it. Pop it, pop it. For this life I cannot change.
All right, so there you guys go. We got a full wrap reveal right there. That's the new Supra, guys. That's it. The color is actually called satin. I don't even know how to say it. Satin neon fluorescent yellow, or satin fluorescent neon yellow, something like that. I know it might look green on camera, but you got it. The only way that you can really see it is in person. It looks so much different in person, but the car came out crazy. Huge shout out to Alpha Auto Spa, Alpha Auto Works, Tim, Brett, Mo, everybody. We all killed this car right now. Came out crazy, but other than that, I'm out of here. Love you guys. See you in the next one. Peace out.